Hello friends, you are watching Tech Fun. నా పేరు వరుణ్. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Today we will see updated features for navigation buttons in Android 10 mobiles. See friends, at the bottom you are seeing navigation buttons, right? Three buttons. These are the basic buttons. Those will be available in all Android mobiles. Go to settings. Then go to system. Here you will see gesture option. Click on that. Then you will see system navigation. Here total three options will be there: 3-button navigation, 2-button navigation, and gesture navigation. Currently we set 3-button navigation. Let's check 2-button navigation. We'll set 2-button navigation and we'll see. See, it changed to 2-button navigation. We have only two buttons. One is back button and one is home button. When we are at home page, it will show only one button, that is home button. If we are navigating to any other page or we are in any other app, then only it will show back button. If we are home, it won't show back button also, it will show only home button. Suppose we need to go to recent app, means we need to swipe up the screen, then we will see the recent apps. Just to swipe up the screen, then you will see the recent apps. Then you can go which one you want to. If you want to close all, also you can close all. Now we will select gesture navigation. This all navigation buttons will be hidden. We won't see any navigation buttons for this feature. For this, if you want to go home page, means we need to swipe up from the bottom. Then we will come to home page. If you want to go back, means you need to swipe left or right side like this. If you swipe, means the page will go back either left side or right side like this. And also if you want to go to recent apps, means you need to swipe from bottom up to half of your screen, then recent pages will open. Then you can select which one you need. Like this you can go to recent pages. And also for going recent page, you no need to open recent pages. At the bottom of the screen you can swipe left or right, then the pages will change like this. Whichever you want you can go without open recent page like this. This is a good option. Gesture navigation is new update for Android 10 mobiles. In this update you won't see any navigation buttons. While you are using starting, you may be confused, but after some time of using this navigation option, you won't feel any issues. It will be good friends. You can use your full screen. It won't show any navigation buttons. You can try once. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.